Did you know that only 7% of our viewers are actually subscribed? We love creating content for you and want to keep doing it, but we need your support to grow our channel so we can make ends meet. So, if you enjoy our videos and want to see more, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thanks for your support.
Hi, Eric here from Cycle Maintenance Academy. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to refit a front wheel on your electric bike. Okay, let's start. Tools required: 2.5mm and 3mm Allen keys and a crosshead screwdriver. These are useful for adjusting and moving the controller and other components on the handlebar. Flathead screwdriver. Might be useful to push the pistons back in a hydraulic brake caliper. 10mm spanner. This tool is handy for rotating the wheel axle and aligning it with the dropouts. 18mm spanner. Typically an 18mm spanner is used to undo and tighten electric bike wheel nuts. Keep in mind that some electric bike wheels might require a different size spanner. Cable ties. These can be useful for reattaching the wire to the frame after wheel replacement. Refitting the front hub motor electric bike wheel. If your bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes and the rotor on the wheel won't fit between the disc brake pads, you might need to open up the brake by gently pushing one pad against the other using a flathead screwdriver positioned between one pad and the piston. Repeat this process for the other side to create a gap between the pads. When you're putting the front hub motor wheel back on, it's important to make sure it's facing the right way. Make sure that the wire on the hub motor is on the same side as the wire on the fork, and if you have a disc brakes, that the rotor lines up with the caliper. Check out the axle. It's got flat sides that match the holes in the dropouts. Use a 10mm Allen key and rotate the axle to the correct position, so that it can slot nicely into the dropouts. Hold the rim with your hand and guide the axle into the dropouts. If you have disc brake, ensure that the rotor passes between the brake pads. Once in place, tighten the wheel nuts gradually until they are securely fastened. Apply a good amount of pressure to ensure the correct tightness. Look at both sides of the motor cable connector. They will have arrows imprinted or engraved on them. Reattach both sides of the connector so that both arrows meet. Reattach the wire to the fork. Turn the bike upright. Refit the battery and the lock if required. If you have rim brakes, then reattach them. Move the controller and other accessories on the handlebars to the correct position. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below how you got on putting the front wheel back on your electric bike. If you found the video useful, then don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks!